rejects Atiku. Initially, after the verdict, Nigerians felt, okay, Atiku will retire because he had tried a lot of times and unfortunately failed. And this felt like, 77, this felt like last trial. But he has said that he's not going anywhere. He will continue to be the opposition. And here is the jab coming from the APC. Is this a little bit too harsh, heating at Atiku this way, calling him a demagogue?
Well, thank you very much for having me in your studios. The another fellow you mentioned is more of an attack dog. And then you expect attack dogs to do what he's just done, to spew out a lot of rubbish. What Atiku did by going through the judiciary, exploring the judicial process, was on behalf of the millions of Nigerians who felt disenfranchised, those who were stabbed in the eyes in Surulere, those like us who waited in the queues till almost 9 o'clock in the night in Owerri to cast our votes, and those votes were never uploaded. Those who are in River State, whose votes were just thrown into the rivers. Those in Lagos State, who were told they couldn't vote because they were from specific areas. So what Atiku did by exploring the legal process was actually to speak up for the millions of Nigerians. So the rabid attacks by Mr. Onanuga on that person, because all of us could not have gone to the tribunal. It was only those who were candidates who could have. So what Atiku and PDP and those who ventured to court was on behalf of Nigerians. So to begin to lambast them and lampoon them for taking processes that Nigerians even asked them would have preferred them not to take. Because what Nigerians were actually looking for after the elections was, okay, let us damn the consequence and put a stop to all this nonsense. But these men, the Democrats that they are, they opted to go through the legitimate course, which is through the court processes. And it was unfortunate that the court processes came out a sham. Up to the highest court in the land. The judgment, as a lawyer, I can call it a sham, because that is basically what it is.
We'll get into the judgment.
Yes. So Onanuga, you don't quote such characters because, like I said, he's an attack dog.